Hi students, and welcome to week 10 in your online general psychology course. This week we are moving on to chapter 10 over motivation and emotion. So please note that we are skipping chapter 9. We're not doing chapter 9 at all and moving straight to chapter 10. So you won't be responsible for anything from chapter 9. So chapter 10 is over motivation and emotion. Let's take a look at your assignments for this week. So I'll come back to the podcast discussion question. You have 3 connect assignments, one over theories of emotion, one over theories of motivation, and then a matching over self-determination theory, your chapter 10 quiz. So due on Sunday. And then let's take a look at your discussion question. And so on your discussion question, a little bit different here is that I'm going to have you listen to an episode from Dr. Laurie Santos's Happiness Lab podcast. She is a psychologist from Yale University who studies the theory of happiness. And so in this podcast, it's specifically about emotions and altruism, which fits nicely into what you're learning about in chapter 10. So you have a link here. You can also find it anywhere you find your podcast. I feel like a commercial, but it is from season 2 and it's episode 1. So there's multiple seasons, obviously multiple episodes, but season 2, episode 1 is the specific one I want you to listen to. And again, it's linked right here. And then once you listen to it, I want you to answer these questions or respond to these questions and post it. And then don't forget, this is a discussion question. So in order to receive your full credit, you need to comment on your classmates' post, okay? So please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever and enjoy learning about emotions and motivation this week. Take care and have a great week.